Hey folks, just want to wrap up the ANOVA area. This is the two-way with block, so the two-way ANOVA with block. This is the air traffic controller problem. We're going to see if we can see if there's a difference between the controllers, which are blocked across the three systems. So these are our main, this is our factor, and we want to see if there's a difference between them, or is there a difference between the controllers? Notice we typically see it this way in our stat books, but we have to rewrite it so that it's accurately done for STATPLUS. Notice I changed system A, B, and C to 1, 2, and 3 so the machine grabs it, and the response values go out with their co-occurrence. Call in STATPLUS, statistics ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. This is a little tricky at times, so it's a little testy. Sometimes you have to grab and be very precise with it. For the response value, it's actually labeled response. Now I made it labeled response. You have to give it whatever label you want. Factor 1, that's the block factor, our controller. Click off. This is the one that gets touchy, so we want to make sure we click on the box, come over here, click on System, Highlights, pull down, click anywhere else. Advanced options, this is a randomized block design, so we want to make sure we check it. Click OK. Preferences, just to guarantee that it's an alpha of 5%. Click OK. It's going to pop up here and give us a tremendous amount of information, most of it which we don't need. But this two-way, by blocking, all I need is this stuff at the top. I'm just going to copy that, bring that over, give you a shot. Throw it in here, and notice that in the end, we're trying to find our factor 1, factor 2. The controller, which is our block factor, has a p-value of 0.05, which is bigger than our alpha level of 0.05. Therefore, we don't reject a null. There's not a significant difference in the controllers. For the systems, the p-value is 2.4%, which is less than alpha. Therefore, we do reject the null and say that there is at least one system different than the others, and now we could go into a pairwise comparison if necessary. That's two-way ANOVA with a block factor.